Hey, how goes it? It's a nice Saturday. We got some melting snow today. It's kind of a little bit nice. Snow's melting in this area. I've got the offset going. I've also got the slow and sear going in here. I got a pork button here for tomorrow, and then here I've got some chuck roast going. Looking good, looking good. I decided to use this offset today. I was going to use my old country, but I decided to use this one because I needed to season it. I like to dry them out a little bit when it's wintertime because, you know, the moisture and everything and the cold. It's not too good for them. So even though I keep it covered like that, it's still covered in snow, I'll oil it up and I'll run it. And basically, I oiled this earlier, and oiled it good. That metal just really drank it up. So when you guys are using your pits, make sure you oil it. I don't paint. I just keep it oiled, and it keeps seasoned. So just keep oiling it. What I do is I get a can of this cheap stuff right here that I got at this supermarket. This is just canola oil. You could use vegetable oil, peanut oil, whatever. It's really good for the smoker to do. It's good for the metal. You just, you know, cure it, season it, and yeah, that's all you really have to do. It'll cure, and that's pretty much it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and just thought I'd give you a quick little heads up on how to keep your pit in good shape. You always want to dry it out. You always want to run it. Even if it's winter, you always still want to run it. Even if you're not going to cook anything in it, just fire it up. Put some logs in. Anyway, look at that. Beautiful blue smoke. Beautiful blue smoke. This old dog, this girl, oh man. Too bad they don't make them like this anymore, huh? Anyway, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.